Welcome to Darren's Adventures YouTube channel. This video is going to be a little different because it's just a voiceover. Usually I show myself walking and talking because it helps tell the story of the adventure. But in this case, the SS Sicamous video walkthrough I do tells the whole story. And I'm getting a lot of this research and information from the SS Sicamous website, which is in the link. They're a heritage community that has this beautiful paddle wheeler on display right on the beach in downtown Penticton. So I strongly suggest you check it out when in Penticton. So the history of the SS Sicamous stern wheeler, so cool. Before I do a little more, provide some more information of the ship, I know from watching another amazing YouTuber, Destination Adventures, he's done some amazing videos up in northern British Columbia of paddle wheelers and how there was hundreds of them, and they were used at the time during the gold rush in British Columbia. And he has some great videos on actually an area where there's a bunch of old paddle wheelers, shipwrecks, or at the side of a lake on display. So the paddle wheelers have a huge history from the early 1900s in British Columbia. But more about the SS Sicamous stern wheeler is a luxury vessel you're going to see throughout the video. It was just incredible. And it was launched in 1914 from the Okanagan Landing shipyards. And its job was it traveled between Penticton and the Okanagan Landing daily, and was super popular. Did 4 stops along the way. And people just loved it because, as you can see, it was pristine at the time. Imagine sailing the Okanagan in this paddle wheeler back in the time, how amazing that was. The SS Sicamous was launched on May 19th, 1914, and the ship was in service for 22 years until 1936. So check out the website link if you want to learn more about the SS Sicamous. But when in Penticton, definitely stop in to learn more about British Columbia's history, learn more about the SS Sicamous and paddle wheelers and how they were just so effective to navigate the waterways in British Columbia. So I hope you enjoy the walk through the SS Sicamous. Well, I hope you enjoyed the walking tour of the SS Sicamous. And before I end, I just wanted to give you some more incredible factoids. Of course, this is all on the website, but I specifically asked when I was there, how did this ship actually get here? Where was it built? And it was neat that the steel hull and boiler were actually built in eastern Canada, Thunder Bay, Ontario, to be precise. And the hull was transported across Canada by 17 rail cars and then put together at the Okanagan Landing shipyards. So that was pretty cool. 150 men took all those pieces and put it together. So some other neat things is it went at a speed of 18 knots, which is 21 miles an hour. So back in the day, that's pretty darn quick. Now, what was on board, and I had to ask these questions during my tour, it was amazing. They had so much information there from people that were working on the SS Sicamous. They had luxury 5-star food service. They had electricity and hot water. They had overnight rooms for guests. Imagine staying in an overnight room on the SS Sicamous. Pretty darn cool. I love the dining hall. They call it the dining saloon. Just impeccable. It was just beautiful. 31 to 33 staff worked on the ship, and it could carry up to 500 people at a time. So there's a little bit more of the SS Sicamous. So I really encourage you, if you're anywhere in the Okanagan, to go check out the SS Sicamous museum, to go see this paddle wheeler and learn more about paddle wheelers in British Columbia and how they helped our province grow and evolve over 100 years ago. There you go. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and as always, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.